Come on, Toby. Well, you know Mike loves a windy day. We got 14-mile winds to 25-mile gusts, supposedly. Stop this. Those trees sway. That is beautiful. Look at that. It's like, I'm not a boat guy, but it's kind of like the ocean. Just the boat going up and down on the surface. And speaking of water, today is the feast of the Nativity of John the Baptist. So our first reading is from Isaiah, where Isaiah 49, where the writer says, I think he said, you formed me for this, and you make my tongue speak this and that, or whatever it was. Anyway, I'm here for this. This is my job. And that, I believe, equates to John the Baptist. Calm down, dogs. And Jesus coming as well as the servant. I forget what the psalm was. 139? I don't know. And somewhere in there was the Acts of the Apostles, unless I'm conflating yesterday as well. I think the Acts of the Apostles was Paul talking about... Okay, I don't know. I don't remember. But the gospel... Stop. I know we got fox around, deer eating all my wife's flowers. 90%, a lot of my wife's flowers. Stupid deer. Short of putting a fence everywhere, there's nothing. I haven't figured out what to do with these deer. And then I believe it's Luke, chapter 1, 57 to 66. Okay, no fox out here. Toby, stay over here. And I'm not watching for the snake. This is where the snake was. Toby, no! No! We have Elizabeth gives birth. The people are very happy for her because she was old and barren, and there was no way she was having a baby. Then she has a baby. They go, what are you going to name the baby? She says John is his name. They go, but you don't have anybody named John, which just sounds a little, I don't know, I think of today's sensibilities. And then they give a tablet to Zachary? I thought it was Zechariah. To Zachary, it says, I believe. And he says his name is John. And they go, okay. And then his mouth is opened. He's able to talk. And Zachary blesses God. And so John grows up. He eats locusts and wild honey. Half of that sounds pretty good. I don't know what wild honey tastes like, though. No, I mean the locust part doesn't sound good. Anyway, he is the one who announces the coming of the Lord. He's the one who baptizes the Lord. You know what else I'm leery right now? This is it seems like it's bee time early. I already got stung by a nest in the ground last week. Now I got to keep my eye open because you'll be walking, all of a sudden you just walk over a nest, and so you got to keep a watch out. And John, okay, there's no connection there. So let's remember to keep our eye out for the Lord. Be open when someone brings you, if you're not, easy. Be open to the Lord in your life. And remember to, live your life so that people know that you know Jesus. And sometimes use words. Watch out for bees when you're walking around. Don't just walk with your phone facing your phone. Bees are already coming. I thought we were having locusts. Apparently, the only locusts in Maryland are in southern part of Maryland someplace. I thought they were talking about locusts at the beginning of the year. The locust. No, I don't think there's any locusts coming here. So they're coming in some parts of the country. So maybe we get them next year. I don't know how that works. So watch out for the snakes and the locusts and the bees.